Ask this question that the universities don't like at all. Do we have any other eyes beside these eyes? Why does Imran Hussein not disappear from the face of the earth? What kind of question is he asking? He's opening a can of worms. It's called epistemology, and they can't take the attack. The branch of knowledge which studies what is knowledge, and how do we acquire knowledge? What are the instruments for the acquisition of knowledge? Epistemology. They say these are the only eyes we have. And so knowledge comes only from observation and from experimentation and from rational inquiry. That's called the scientific method. And knowledge does not come from any other source. That's their answer. That's their epistemology. And the Quran says you're wrong. The Quran says, بَعَدَ أَعُوذُ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ من كان في هذه أعمى, whosoever is blind here, فهو في الآخرة أعمى, he's going to be blind there as well. وأضل السبيل, and more misguided. And the Quran asks, أفلم يسيروا في الأرض, will they not travel through the earth? So traveling is good. Traveling is good. فَتَكُونَ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ يَعْقِلُونَ بِهَا. Oh no. Oh no. This is problem now. This is trouble. That while traveling through the earth, the heart might come alive. And with the heart, you might be able to understand what otherwise you could not. Oh no, we were taught that it is with the mind that we acquire knowledge. They never told us in the Sorbonne and at Harvard and MIT. They never told us about the heart, and that the heart is an instrument for the pursuit of knowledge. This looks like a different epistemology in the Quran from that stuff that you're giving us at Oxford and Cambridge. فَتَكُونَ لَهُمْ قُلُوبٌ يَعْقِلُونَ بِهَا, that with the heart you'll be able to understand what otherwise you could not. أَوْ أَذَانٌ يَسْمَعُونَ بِهَا, and when the heart comes alive, you'll be able to hear what otherwise you could not hear. The word of Allah is being recited, but you can't hear it. It goes through one ear, it comes out of the other ear. You are deaf, you can't hear. فَإِنَّهَا لَا تَعْمَى الْأَبْصَارِ, it's not these eyes which are blind, says Allah. وَلَكِنْ تَعْمَى الْقُلُوبُ الَّتِي فِي الصُّدُورِ, what is blind is the heart which is inside the chest. And so yes, we have a different epistemology from you. And I don't know any scholar who has offered a more brilliant exposition and explanation and defense of the Quranic epistemology than Muhammad Iqbal. Yes. In his book, which nobody reads, they only listen to his poetry. They're too lazy to read his book. And the second thing is he wrote the book in English. The reconstruction of religious thought in Islam, and go to the first two chapters, the first chapter and the second chapter. And in these two chapters, no one has surpassed Iqbal in expounding and defending the epistemology of the Quran. There's your homework for you if you're 16 or 17. But go to the pharmacy and buy a bottle of headache tablets. Because I read that book 20 times and still couldn't understand Iqbal. It was so complex. The other chapters are easy, but these two first chapters, where he explains and expounds and defends the epistemology of the Quran, mashallah, they are unsurpassable. And so now we know that it is with internal, intuitive, spiritual insight that you can understand the world in the last stage. And you cannot see neither with these eyes nor with the internal eye unless there is light. When the electricity goes and you want to find a box of matches, you need a light to see where the box of matches is.